Hello YouTube. I wanted to come to talk today about a new oil that I found in my grocery store. Let me get a good focus on it. It's called sunflower oil. It's imported virgin sunflower oil. And I found this at Walmart on the cooking oil aisle. It is made by Anton and Muse, and it is imported, and it's imported virgin sunflower oil. I am using it at this time to fry fish. I've previously used it to fry chicken. This is my second bottle of sunflower oil because I purchased two. Purchased one bottle because I was going to use it for my hair, and I purchased a second bottle to cook with. And the fish is frying up golden brown. It looks very good. I've used it previously on fried chicken, and I don't think anyone could tell the difference that I wasn't using vegetable oil or canola oil. At this time, I am using the imported virgin sunflower oil. It's at Walmart. It's $3.86, and it's a fairly large bottle of oil. I want to zoom in even more so you can get a good look at the label. The oil, it's 33.8 fluid ounces of oil. It's a very golden color, and it fries beautifully. It smells exactly like sunflower seeds. The oil is frying the fish wonderfully. So I wanted to come on and give a positive review of this oil. It's low in saturated fats. It's all natural, first press, chilled, unrefined. It has vitamin E. It is a sufficient source of vitamin E. It is low. It has 0 trans fat and only 1.6 grams of saturated fat. There are 126 calories from fat because it is still an oil.